What kind of a wedding has Jennifer Lopez performing a private concert and Donald Trump Jr. dancing with his girlfriend? A wedding that has now become a national talking point and a global headline. Netra Mantena and Vamsi Gadiraju tied the knot on November 23, 2025. And for months, their Udaipur celebration has dominated social feeds, celebrity circles, and dinner table conversations across India and abroad. Billed as a multi-million-dollar destination wedding, the scale and guest list looked more like an international awards night. From Donald Trump Jr.'s dance appearance to Lopez on stage, the star quotient was unprecedented. Bollywood, of course, delivered its own blockbuster lineup. Ranveer Singh, Karan Johar, Janhvi Kapoor among the top performers. No wonder this is widely being called the wedding of 2025. This wedding has become the biggest talking point since Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant's 2024 extravaganza. And at the heart of this grand affair is the bride's father. So who is Rama Raju Mantena? Rama Raju Mantena is a prominent figure in the United States pharmaceutical industry and the chairman and CEO of Ingenus Pharmaceuticals, which has operations across the US, Switzerland and India. Originally from Vijayawada, he moved to the US in the 1980s, later leading P4 Healthcare and founding iCore Healthcare. Despite being described in some reports as a billionaire, Public Records places his net worth at around $20 million. In 2023, he reportedly purchased a 400 crore rupees luxury estate in Florida with 16 bedrooms and a private beach. Mantena is also known for philanthropy, including his high-profile donation of a 28-kilogram gold coin garland to the Tirumala Tirupati temple. Vamsi Gadiraju is an Indian-American tech entrepreneur based in San Francisco. He is the co-founder and CTO of SuperOrder, a platform serving over 1,000 restaurants across 30 states. A Columbia University graduate, he was also named in Forbes 30 Under 30 Food and Drink 2024. The celebrations began with Netra Mantena and Vamsi Gadiraju's haldi at the stunning Taj Lake Palace, a lakeside bungalow set in the middle of Lake Pichola. Their Mehndi was held at the same venue, featuring star performances by Madhuri Dixit, Nora Fatehi and Dia Mirza. The Sangeet turned into a full-blown Bollywood fest with Shahid Kapoor, Ranveer Singh, Janhvi Kapoor, Kriti Sanon and Varun Dhawan performing. The evening was hosted by Karan Johar and Sophie Chaudhary. The grand wedding took place at the iconic Jagmandir Island Palace, one of India's most exclusive destination venues. The celebrations concluded with a spectacular reception at the Leela Palace, Udaipur.